Hello, Amazon.com. It's me, Beau, coming to you today with these little window alarms from Noopel. Now, these are have some adhesive on one side, and then, of course, some adhesive on the other side. I just wanted to quickly demonstrate what this actually looks like when you are to turn these on. So obviously it's off right now, but let's just simulate that this is on one side of the window, and then this is going to slide open and closed, and then let's say that this part is on the windowsill itself. So this is stuck and stuck. You go ahead and you turn it on using this switch right here, but I'm gonna do it when it's up against there, or else it will just start alarming. So here we go. It's gonna be really loud. I warn you, be sure to cover your ears. So you start to open the window. Oh, stay there. There we go. Start to open the window. Wow, that's loud. Wow. That's just incredible. In case you're wondering about batteries, it does take 3 LR44 batteries, which do come all pre-installed in both this one and that one. So you don't have to buy those extra ones if you don't want to. Overall, this is a fairly simple and cheap way of putting some alarms on your windows. If anything, a robber or a thief could look in there and just kind of see that, in fact, that you do have alarms on your window. So both as a deterrent and, in fact, if they are to pry open the window somehow, or if they break the glass and this falls off the glass and it detaches from there, then of course the alarm would sound. And let's just hope that they don't know how to quickly reach in and turn this off, because if that's the case, well, hopefully it wakes you up anyway, before they try to scramble and grab it and switch it off. So once again, we're gonna turn it on right there, and we're gonna go and slide it off.